Jinnah Colleges is situated in the heart of the beautiful valley of Mansehra at Karakoram Highway, which is commonly known as Shahriyarshin. The college building is situated at the center of Mansehra city, where convenient road transport is easily accessible to all adjacent areas. Geographically, the institution is approximately 25 kilometers away from Abbottabad, 140 kilometers northwest of Islamabad, 60 kilometers from Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Badagram. The institution's climate, height and scenic beauty make it an ideal place for an educational institution. The building, located on a mountainous farmland of Mansehra, offers beautiful panoramic views that make the weather and the whaling season an integral part of the campus life. The atmosphere of the college is ideally suitable for those who desire to seek knowledge and make the best of their creative abilities, because good environment enhances abilities of the learners. The institution was initially established in the year 1996 only for the promotion of commerce education in the vicinity, and in the year 2004 it was decided to enhance its educational program in the fields of science and schooling. So for this purpose, a fully operational building was prepared, and in the year 2005 the college new campus was inaugurated by President of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, His Excellency Raja Zulkarnain Khan. Jinnah Commerce Colleges, a sapling planted in 1995 by a man having exceptional and phenomenal perception. Now with the grace of God, Jinnah Colleges is in a position to compete with any institute of the province, providing variety of academic programs. Jinnah Colleges is a private residential and non-residential institution governed by its own rules and regulations and managed by the Board of Management, consisting of Director, Administrator, the Head of Commerce Section and the Head of Inter-College and School Section. Throughout the years, many influential national figures visited the college and shared their vision with the students and faculty. Paklians start their day in a unique manner. Students present recitation accompanied by Urdu-English translation. Hadith-e-Nabwi, Naat and different topics by the students are presented. The assembly is concluded by the national anthem and parade. The most important pillar of the educational system is considered to be the school section, Because if the student's basic education and personality is groomed on sound foundation, his whole life will be based on it later on. Jinnah Basic School aims at a stimulating, dynamic relationship between the students and members of the teaching staff.
Hello, my name is Hijab. I study in class 3. Athleans have a vision, and that is spiritual transcendence. It means to achieve good human qualities and to practice Islamic ethics. My school is the institution from where I can get my destiny and achieve my goals easily. I can fulfill the dreams of my parents, and I believe that my teachers are the best guides who are making me a successful person and good Muslim.
It promotes an educational system which goes on both inside and outside the classroom and fosters an atmosphere where academic work is respected and ideas appreciated. In our preschool, classrooms are equipped with the state-of-the-art audio-visual aids. We are applying games, dramatics, activities, story, library time, EPL exercises, artwork, phonic practice, fine motor skills and large motor skills. To develop personality traits like self-control, self-reliance, confidence, expressive independence, adjustment, sharing, taking turns, empathy and problem solving. All the classes participate with enthusiasm and high spirit of competition to prove their zenith. A random calendar of activities has been drawn out comprising important international days and national days to make students reorganize their importance and use. Different activities are developed in this scenario as medium of expression like poster making, declamation contest, assembly presentation and cards making. Events like spelling bee competition, pet day, season festivals, book fairs, color days, flower day, colorful fun fair and movie gala are celebrated in academic routine to enhance the learning abilities of students and to broaden their realm of mind. Imagination leads to creativity, which is a portal to human expression. To empower students' expression and to develop art and craft skills, an art class is also part of Friday activities. In school section, a whole day of Friday is dedicated to conduct these co-curricular activities. On Fridays, house periods are arranged for Kirat and Hamdunat, debates and art houses. For training in these sessions, special trainers are hired who visit weekly to assist the students. Music room equipped with musical instruments and special music trainer is part of preschool activities on Friday.
Hi, my name is Mariam. I am the student of class 4. The motto of my school is education that works. It means the process to get unlimited knowledge and be able to use it in our practical life effectively. Being a true Muslim, I must say this is a true motto as my school furnishes me all the aspects and prepare me well-mannered, well-behaved and well-disciplined person for the society.